Solve the following equations. 6 sine theta is equal to negative 3 for 180 degrees less or equal to theta less or equal to 360 degrees. Grace and peace to you, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donald Siami, author of Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Okay, so we're still on our trigonometric equations. Okay, so here we have 6 sine theta is equal to minus 3. So first thing, we need to divide out the 6 there so that we remain with just sine theta. Okay, so we say we divide through 6 through the equation, so over 6 over 6. So we have sine theta is equal to negative 3 divided by 6, that is negative 0.5. Okay, so the next step is to find the angle in the first quadrant. To calculate angle in the first quadrant, we don't consider a negative there. Okay, you take it as positive. Even if it was negative, even if it is positive, it is always a positive value. That is when you are finding for angle in the first quadrant. Okay, let's call this angle as alpha. So say alpha is equal to, so to remain with theta there, we introduce the sine inverse. So it will be alpha is equal to sine inverse of 0.5. Okay, and sine inverse of 0.5, that is 30 degrees. Okay, so alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so this 30 degrees is angle in the first quadrant. Okay, now we are solving for theta where sine is negative, and we know that sine is negative in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. And according to the solution set here, it's from 180 degrees to 360 degrees, which is the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, so in third quadrant, theta is equal to 180 degrees plus alpha, which is angle in the first quadrant. Okay, so theta is equal to 180 degrees plus the angle in the first quadrant is 30 degrees. So 180 degrees plus 30 degrees. So we have theta is equal to 180 plus 30 degrees, you get 210 degrees. Okay, then we go to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, theta is equal to 360 degrees minus alpha, that is angle in the first quadrant. So theta is equal to 360 degrees minus 30 degrees. So theta is equal to 360 minus 30 degrees, you get 330 degrees. 330 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 210 degrees and theta is equal to 330 degrees. So those are the two values for 6 sine theta is equal to minus 3. Okay, so we get the solutions from where sine is negative, and sine is negative in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So here, the angle in the first quadrant is not part of the solution set. Okay, that was A. We go to B. So B, we have cos of theta is equal to minus 0.5. Cos of theta is equal to minus 0.5. And the solution set is from 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Again, that is third and fourth quadrant. Okay, so first thing is to calculate for angle in the first quadrant. And we know that when you're calculating for angle in the first quadrant, the size here, you take it as positive. Okay, so introduce the cosine inverse. So we are going to have alpha is equal to cosine inverse of 0.5. So alpha is equal to, we know that cosine inverse of 0.5 is 60 degrees. Cosine inverse of 0.5, that is 60 degrees. Cosine inverse of 0.5, that is 60. Okay, so this is just angle in the first quadrant, and we are looking for the values of theta where cos is negative, and we know that cos is negative in second quadrant and the third quadrant. Cos is negative in second quadrant and third quadrant. Now, according to the solution set is from 180 to 360 degrees. So this is third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So it means second quadrant is not part of the solution. So you only get one for in third quadrant. Okay. So in third quadrant, we know that theta is equal to 180 degrees plus alpha. So we have theta is equal to 180 degrees plus the angle in the first quadrant is 60 degrees. So you get theta is equal to 180 plus 60, you get 240 degrees. So that is the only solution for theta where cos is negative, according to the solution set of 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Okay, thank you so much for your time.